speak against veganism the same way I speak against Christianity. I am not anti-vegetables or anti-Jesus. I truly think that vegetables and Jesus are amazing. It only becomes a problem when you think that everything outside of vegetables or anything outside of Jesus is bad. When you think that only vegetables and fruits is good for you, or when you think that all other religions is a lie. That is when I think you have trapped yourself into delusion. And what is needed for both personal and collective growth is clarity to see what really is and the courage to do what is right.
Many people will watch a video like this and miss the fundamental error. You see, it sounds so tolerant and inclusive. After all, this content creator seems to be advocating that all religions are equally valid. But this video rests on a faulty assumption. It assumes that religious belief is just a matter of subjective preference rather than a matter of objective truth.
It's always easy for a colonizer to say